Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisperer. Welcome to my lifestyle sauce and channel. Today I'm making some mushrooms that have seen better days, and contrary to popular belief, people say, well, lots of people say not to wash your mushrooms, but
do you know what mushrooms are grown in and what they're grown with?
these are dirty, so I'm just gonna continue to peel them and wash them, give them a little pat dry. It's gonna be all right. I already have my skillet preheating, but if you wanna see how to make these delicious sauteed mushrooms with some ginormous scallion ends, you know what to do. Go get a snack, come on back and tell your friends that Cookie the Lifestyle is on. This is gonna be delicious and easy, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian.
Delicious and nutritious.
I have a skillet here already heating because I'm going to dry char these. I don't know what these are called. They're a toss between a leek and a scallion. They're huge little bulbs, and I got them at my local Spanish supermarket for $1. Let that go for a while, and then I'll add everything else. It's gonna be super, super easy. And these are the stars of this easy vegetarian recipe. Some mushrooms that I've washed and drained, some organic baby spinach that I've also done the same. I've washed and drained it. Some spaghetti mix. You can use an Italian mix and just add some chili flakes to it. I have garlic confit here, and I'm gonna bump up the flavor, baby, with some fresh garlic right there. Some fresh lemon zest and lots of lemon towards the end, because if you cook with lemon, it tends to get bitter. And I already have these in that dry skillet. Do you hear the sound? Do you see how pretty they look? And then I'm gonna add everything else. I'm gonna serve this meal with a salad of pickled purple onions, say that fast 5 times, cucumbers, and some Roma tomatoes and some white rice. Do you hear this delicious sound? Do we see the char? Do we see? This is why I enjoy doing a dry skillet char. Love that. Look at that beautiful color. Do you see? This is why I love doing that char situation. Dry char. Ooh, it's hot. Look at that. Beautiful color. And that garlic confit. Oh, yes. This looks like it's overflowing, but trust and believe that this will wilt down very easily, very quickly. Then I'm gonna add some seasoning and some lemon juice to that. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this seasoning on there. This has some sea salt in it. And some lemon. Not too much right now, because I don't want it to turn bitter. When I plate this, I'll add some extra lemon. From the bottom. Oh, this smells so delicious. Can't wait to plate this. This is what all that spinach rendered. But I promise you, this creates such a delicious and beautiful sauce. Oh my goodness, this on top of the rice is going to be delicious. Look at the char.
Oh, look at that char.
I can't wait to plate this up. Again, I'm serving this with white rice and a side salad of cucumber and pickled purple onions. Say that fast 5 times. And then I'm going to take the rest of this lemon and spritz it on top. Stay tuned for the tasting. Okay, so my husband is going to try this meal. And I tell you, my husband is a beefy guy. He works out at the gym. And he's been enjoying these meatless meals.
Ow.
And I'm telling you, they do not disappoint. They're nice and filling. Look at how beautiful that plate looks. Turn it around, babe. My husband likes his sauce.
My sauce.
On top of the rice.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. Isn't that pretty?
It's pretty. Smells good.
Okay, so time to try, babe.
All right, here we go. The lemon.
Yeah, you remember to squeeze the lemon on it. I'm always on top of him to squeeze the lemon, squeeze the lemon.
All right, put that on the side. Let's try a little bit of this. Thank you, Lord, for this food I'm about to receive. In Jesus' name, amen. All right.
Amen.
Let's see. I love me some mushrooms. Juicy.
Don't choke now.
What are these?
Those are, I forget the name of those, but that is
like
a cross between a shallot and a leek. They're very beefy. I got them for like about $1 at Bravo's. Aren't they good? I charred them. It brings out the flavor, right? I know that they also use those a lot in Mexican cooking as well. Tell me about those pickled purple onions and say it fast 5 times.
Pickled pepper fast. Oh, babe, that's good.
Yeah, I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Thank you.
We haven't done a little tight mukbang, if you will, in a minute, but guys.
ASMR. That's
Amazing. So, guys, if you like this kind of video and you found some value in it, smash that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle stars. Comment below. I'm still salivating, and tell me what you think about this meal. Would you try it? See, vegan meals or even vegetarian meals do not have to be boring. They can be very, very tasty. That doesn't even have chicken bouillon in it. I didn't put any kind of bouillon in there.
It's delicious. Oh my gosh.
Turn your notification bell on, you know, ding, 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 dong bell. And select all so you don't miss any of my videos. And like the video, because that helps me out. Share the video. Why? Because sharing is caring, and it helps the algorithm push me out there and say,
Hello, she's there.
guys, as I say around here, be blessed, not too stressed, and we'll meet up in the next. Get it, baby, get it!
These mushrooms are outstanding.
Do they taste like beef?
Can make believe you're eating beef, but it's mushroom.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Hi, Sugar Cookie. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new,
Oops.
tell me about those pickled purple onions and say it fast 5 times. Squeeze the lemon on it. I'm always on top of him to squeeze the lemon, squeeze the lemon. Turn your notification bell and so.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.